Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Let's prep for tomorrow. With all spread, it's a break. Yeah. More of this. More of this. I don't trust this all spread thing. Wouldn't you agree that's the that's an upthrust? And then that's now a test. Like this. This looks more real to me. I have another idea to like draw a bar in between. So that would make it an upthrust anyway. So yeah, it's an upthrust. Yeah. The biggest volume. I like the biggest volume again. This is powerful on SPY. Counter trend though. Its potential is only 2.5. Yeah. It's already reached. It already reached its potential. So volumes are impressive. So what? Q's IWM. IWM looks differently. Yeah. Counter trend. Let's see tomorrow. Dow. This guy tries to revive. Again, I don't necessarily understand. Oh, right, because then it's there now. Anyhow, it's doing its thing. This volume is good. That's balance on the Intel. Initiative takeover here. Volume distribution is not good. So bearish. So yeah. Hasagra made its move. Nothing. Was consolidating here. Nothing again. Maybe just something in continuation of the trend. Yeah. I'll break tomorrow. Regardless, for a short trade, it's not bad. Regardless. Locally. Counter trend. What happened here anyways? Anyone can read it? change the direction. So this thing dies. This is horrible. This is horrible. Sberbank. I started getting skeptical. Is it proper English? I start getting. I'm getting skeptical, right? I start being skeptical, or I'm getting skeptical. Anyone see me? Yeah, it's so high up there because the entry was. Oof, oof. So like I'm expecting it to go right from here. It's not necessarily the case. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. Like the only thing that bugs me is not this 0.5. You know what I mean? It's not the entire. I'm expecting a acceleration in a neutral zone. There's like 3 phases. Beginning of the wave, acceleration, slowing down, and reversal. It's like 135 in Elliott wave terms and Mr. Elliott's terms. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. MT. Hey. Why is it showing? Oh, okay. So yeah, it's gonna break tomorrow. So it's gonna break. So no need to watch it. There is no continuation of the chant, my friend, anymore. Pfizer. Oh boy. I need my Pfizer. I don't need Pfizer, I need this market situation. Initiative takeover. It can gap tomorrow. It can gap tomorrow, leave me no chance, but also it can make another more of this thing. Beyond. All eyes on Pfizer tomorrow. I'll take it tomorrow, no matter the end of the month, last day, all this shebang, I don't care. Here the biggest question is whether this transitory extremum is in place and we are here, or it's annulled, or never mind. Look at this volume. The volume was great here, so I know. This is definitely volume level here, so it can go down. We'll see. The moment of truth is nearer and nearer. It gave volume again. Can gap like it, is it? Where's Toyota? Toyota on is it Thailand? Where's Toyota on Japanese market? What do you call it? Gosh, Nikkei? What is TCA? Oh, this is TCA. Nikkei is the composite index, right? Move. Doesn't look great. Oof. What? Let's do a little something. Since we're such a Toyota lovers. What did it do today? Boom, boom. Spring test. Entry. 2R. Yeah, let's go. I mean, it's silly to deny the fact that these two stock correlate, and the morning gap of Toyota Motor at New York Exchange is tightly related to to the price action Toyota did on Japanese stock market the same day earlier. I hope we can all agree that sun rises at the east and day starts over there. So there was a balance ever since here. There was this balance, long time balance on daily. Oh, what I'm talking on. What's a better word, annual or yearly? Or year chart? You say monthly, so I think annual is also a go. And then there was a break, right? 1 2 1 2, ping 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 ping. Yeah, this over balances, and now it's 6 and 5 close. Oh, close 12 and 5 high. Yeah. So this is higher. So for now, if it closes above the resistance level, then it's gonna be a 1 bar rule. For now, we'll assume this situation. Just for now. And guys, I'm sorry, I'm under weather, so not at my best right now. But transition experiment. And then goes up, doesn't hold this level, doesn't hold this level, changes the direction. Yeah. It looks gloomier on Japanese market. Still an exhaustion, still. Why did I? Oh, I charged it before the break, I guess. So not transition extreme even. That makes no sense. So this, and then up. Yeah, it's also hanging out. I don't know, doesn't give us no information. I'm just curious. November 6th? Where's November 6th? November 6th. Yeah, I see. It just jumped on November 6th. This huge volume. But didn't go nowhere. So, and it dropped 27th. It did drop on 27 too. Okay, so 8 was down. 8 was down. They do correlate. 9 was 11 was up. 11 was down. So no, they do not. I mean, I don't see how they correlate, so no mind. This guy. It's gonna close on the break, so Only something, yeah, something up to like 0.5. It went down. Formed this little balance, I'd assume. Yeah. And then broke up and went all the way down. And it's 7.5, I bet. You bet. This idiom was just so hard for me. I would always say I bet instead of you bet. Like when people would say something and like reaffirmingly, I would say I bet. People give me this look. Like, this immigrant doesn't know what he's saying. Some things, it's just like logically it don't make sense. So yeah, it broke. So no short, no quick trade on this guy for me. And it closes in a break tomorrow. I'm pretty pause about that. But I got a bit red. And yeah, this guy is done and gone.
It's 10.5 now.
Technically, it's one barrel, then doesn't matter. So yeah, I don't need it on my daily watch. But I'll keep it for now. This is a break. Lower volume lets the price go lower. It's always a bad sign. Okay. Oh, and it's in a balance. Woo! Woo! We don't need this 0.5. It's in a balance, you guys. I mean, it closes in a month and 3 days. Closes below the support level or resistance level. It's a balance, and then it's good all the way down. Yeah. Imagine. Oh, okay. That's not the index. It's the MOEX. It's the stock exchange itself. So not so big, but yeah,
It's interesting.
Oh, and also it's not a transit. Right. Wait, I'm confused now. No, yeah, it is a transition extreme. We'll see. Alrosa. It's in the right place. On someone just dumped it in 2021. Huh. Right before the war, by the way. Interesting. Oh, okay, this extraordinary volume came in. But look how market was like showing us, get out, get out. Like after it broke the T2 level. So here was the T1. Unvolumed up thrust, you could be like hesitant. And then boom, it breaks and bigger volume breaks. Here it was like leave, abandon the ship. So yeah. It's in the right place on yearly, on monthly. Interesting. Yeah, that was an entry. It was scary though, such a pum. But yeah, that was the play. Volumed spring. Everything looks up. And that was the play. Quick to R. Get away. Yeah. That was the game. I saw that. I chickened out. It was right in 0.5. Right place, everything, impulse. I don't know. I chickened out. Russian market is scary. And also, I'm just a big giant chicken. You guys know that. It would be good after a test. So I don't know what I'm like trying to see. An hour. It's not bad for an hour, so it just needs to correct to 0.5. So yeah. There would be no shame to buy it from here again. Yeah. So we need a 0.5 test. Okay. Ooh. Counter trend. It's already reached its potential. Yeah. So that I don't forget it. Just put it there. It's like it's gone. It's counter trend on year. This volume. And all this volume is up there. Look, yeah. Anyhow, it's gonna be good from here. It's gonna be good for short, not for, yeah. This guy is doing weird shit. Technically 910. 910, okay, neutral. Okay, so it's still going down. So it's daily watch, it needs to form a level. This guy also needs a level, right? Well, yeah. It's kind of hanging out in the middle of nowhere. It is 0.5. So maybe. But maybe you're gonna be the one that's oof. Unvolumed. I have one word for you. Unvolumed. It's in 0.5. Yeah. This also belongs to a yearly chart. Yeah. No, this is BS. No volume. I don't like no volume. I need volume, please. Yeah. This goes higher. I missed my chance, like right around here. Right around here. Was too scary, was too up there. Didn't have 0.5, so. It's gonna close a break tomorrow. Let's wait what it is. This guy. Look at this volume. DJI. Could have taken my 2R chickened out. Can go higher. PDD actually 1 bar reversal that I chickened out again. That was right there. 2 bar spring test. That was an entry. It was just there. It was just there. There. And then I could have held. Well, you know what? I shouldn't have. No, just 2R. 2R that I've missed. Dr. Pepper. MRK. That would be sexy to pick it up from here. It's continuation of the trend, isn't it? It's continuation of the trend. Yeah. No volume. Let's see. Oh, it's too low. It's like, no, this is like way too low. Didn't hold 0.5. So now it has to come here. This doesn't make no sense. Yeah. And I'm still there. That was another one of mine that I didn't take. Right? Boom, boom. No, that wouldn't have worked.
Heinz.
Look at this beautiful volume. Look at this beautiful volume.
I'm not sure.
It's not a sign of strength. And we don't have. Only if seen like this. So it's going up first. Then it checks out. Oh my gosh, look at Heinz. Am I sure? I want to have anything with it. It looks like dad. DEAD. In case you guys don't know how to spell it. This guy just looks DEAD. Dad.
Why am I? Yeah, right. And my look.
So now just this doesn't make sense. It goes against. This whole thing goes against the. And this is not the biggest volume. Yeah, guys. Ooh, think twice. Yeah. It is a balance, but I'm not so sure about it. And went to this volume, which is still the biggest volume of this entire thing. Right up there. Right up there. And it doesn't go any farther. Didn't even have enough juice to go up. And that now makes sense why it doesn't go. Oof. Still okay for something quick. Sweet, nice and short. But it may be... Dun, 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 dun. Do you guys see what I'm seeing? You know what I mean? What if... Look at this. Let's see, just look at this. What if... It is a balance again, but you cannot call it a
long balance, because
that's not how long wave is born. You change the direction, yes, that could have been a mistake. Regardless, like, it's good for a quick trade, but not more than that. You see how like annual chart adds us a perspective? There was no extremum here though. There's no extremum. But this is obvious, like an impulse. That again makes no sense. I'll keep the balance. But it's a short balance. It will want to break. I'll just disregard this, like it's an accident. Also, this is a correct, no, this is the resumption of main. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, let's keep on watching it. I'm glad we added annual levels. This is breaking. And these guys, I don't know. What are they are thinking? Let's bounce. See it more like this. But yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. This is too deep of a break. Well, we'll need the reaction bar, and most likely it's gonna close below, so just kind of like expand. Yeah. Here's the transitioning strum. for what it was. It's so deep there. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. I thought that Yandex moved out of Russia to Netherlands. Oh, they split. Okay, so that is the Russian part. They split into European. That's listed on Netherlands Stock Exchange. I'm not sure whether they should have one, right? They're like sovereign states, so probably they do have one. There is volume here. It's just, I don't know what to make of it. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Still there. Dun, 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 dun. It's one of the Elton's upbeat songs. He's more like what's it called, like romantic, melancholic in my perspective, but that's one of his upbeat ones. I'm still there. Beam, beam, beam. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see how it goes on December 1st. December 1st is gonna be what? How is it gonna be Monday? Ah, that's interesting. That now has a condor. It's going down. It's going down. Dun, dun, dun. And I'm still there. Da, da, da. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, this is not that big. It doesn't look like an exhaustion. Can be on the monthly too. I don't think there's any point to look at it. Okay, that's our continuation of the trend. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so that was here. It's already been used, so it's already been interacted with, manipulated. So I'll put it there. There. And so 0.5 can be our guidance, more so. And it's right there. There. I'm still so afraid of continuation of the trend. I know it's not a good word, but I really am. Just What if I get stuck in there? It's gotta be like stock market.
Nothing that would signify.
The reversal? It's so up there, so stretched. Imagine getting stuck on this stock just for 2 hours. It's just doesn't make no sense. It breaks down, goes down. Dun, 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 dun. So it's true, yeah, I'm like I'm scared to buy from. Like when it's in a break and continuation of the trend is just scary to me. Okay, that's our tomorrow. I'm gonna leave us there. There. Yeah. A bunch of stuff going on.
What do I want on this guy?
Yeah. It's gonna break tomorrow, makes no sense. I already did my 2R. I'm just fooling around. I hope this is not gonna gap too much. We're gonna be seeing this guy, this guy. Yeah.